So this glass countertop mocha maker, macchinetta, however you want to call it. I got this before I had my espresso machine, and this is so small, but I want to show you what's the way to use it and how great are the results. There is a bottom compartment for water. This is for coffee. Water. And you want to use an espresso grind coffee or a fine grind. And on the countertop. And then you just wait for the coffee to come out of this little hole here. And the fact that it's glass, it's really nice because you can watch. Right. When you hear that, it means that that's the end of the water coming up the. Just gonna make myself a little froth milk. Alright, this was enough for 2 cups of espresso, and that's how it looks like. I'm gonna try it now. Well, it's not as strong as the coffee I'd get out of a espresso machine, but maybe it's because I put double the water. So if you want a very strong shot, you might just use a smaller amount of water with the same amount of coffee. And I would say the con to using that is just that having to wash, take it apart and wash it every time. But other than that, I give it a thumbs up.